Welcome to our list of must-have kitchen gadgets for 2025. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, these tools will change your cooking. We're talking new tech, efficiency, and great flavors. First is the multifunction food processor, the Swiss Army knife of the kitchen. It can handle anything. Chopping vegetables? Easy. Slicing tomatoes thin? Done. Kneading dough for pizza? No problem. This gadget saves time, making meal prep easy. No more crying while chopping onions. It dices onions faster than you can say mise en place. And it's very versatile. It can make anything, from hummus to salsa. It's like having many kitchen assistants in one machine, and it's built to last. This isn't a flimsy gadget that breaks easily. It's a strong machine that can handle tough tasks. So if you want to improve your cooking, get the multifunction food processor. Now, let's talk about the immersion blender, the hero of smooth soups and sauces. This handheld tool lets you blend right in the pot. No need for messy transfers or lots of washing up. It's a lifesaver. Imagine a smooth tomato soup, full of flavor, all made in one pot. No lumps, no chunks, just pure bliss. That's the magic of the immersion blender. But it's not just for soups. It can make creamy mashed potatoes, smooth sauces, and even smoothies quickly. It's like a magic wand for your kitchen, and it's so easy to use. Just stick it in the pot and blend. No complicated buttons, just blending power at your fingertips. So ditch your bulky blender and enjoy the immersion blender. Next up is the vacuum sealer, the key to reducing food waste. This gadget removes all the air from your food bags, keeping food fresh and tasty for longer. We've all seen wilted lettuce, moldy cheese, and spoiled meat. What a waste! But with the vacuum sealer, those days are over. It keeps your food fresh up to 5 times longer, saving you money and cutting down on waste. That's right, 5 times longer. Imagine perfectly preserved steaks, vibrant vegetables, and cheese that tastes freshly cut. It's not just for leftovers. You can marinate meat in minutes, portion meals in advance, and store delicate herbs without wilting. Next, we have the digital measuring cup. It's perfect for bakers and cooks who need accuracy. This gadget is both a scale and a measuring cup. You get the best of both tools. No more old measuring cups and scales. It gives exact measurements in weight and volume. Your recipes will be perfect every time. Whether you're measuring flour for a cake or weighing ingredients for a sauce, this gadget does it all. It's like having a kitchen expert with you, making sure every ingredient is perfect. Baking is all about precision. With the digital measuring cup, you can avoid baking mistakes and get great results every time. We've seen some great kitchen gadgets. Now let's look at the top 3 cooking gadgets for 2025. These gadgets will make cooking easier and more fun. First, the Instant Pot. It works as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and yogurt maker. It's perfect for quick, tasty meals. Next, the air fryer. No more greasy, unhealthy fried foods. Enjoy crispy, golden food with less oil. It uses hot air to cook food evenly, giving you a perfect crunch every time. Lastly, the griddle. Great for breakfast lovers. It lets you cook many items at once, like pancakes and eggs or bacon and hash browns. Its large surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup. These 3 gadgets are essential for any modern kitchen, offering convenience, versatility, and healthy cooking options. Get ready to upgrade your cooking in 2025.